Red algae. The scientific name of red algae is Rhodophyta. First point is red algae are multicellular, mean they consist of many cells. Next point is red algae body is made of filament. Filament are thread-like structures. Next point is Rhodophyta are non-motile, mean they have no locomotory organ. Next point is Rhodophyta attached to rocks by basal hold fast. Next point is pigment of Rhodophyta are chlorophyll A, carotenoid, and phacoerythrin. As you know, chlorophyll A absorbs dark green light. Carotenoid absorb orange and red light. Phacoerythrin absorb red light and especially present in red algae or Rhodophyta. Next point is some red algae have calcium carbonate in their cell wall. Calcium carbonate usually present in chalks, etc. The example of Rhodophyta are chondrus and Polysiphonia. Today's topic is ended here.